carrying my camera around more with me. We got this thing fired up. It was the fuel filters were frozen. So I added some oil to the back already, to the transmission. Take it to the shop. Gonna clean up a spot inside the shop real quick, move some stuff, and get it in the shop and start getting ready to pull the motor apart. And she seems to be running okay. Alright, so we finally got the John Deere in the shop. Got her all set up, ready to go. Time to start doing an in-frame. Got Dad's sled done. That sled actually turned out pretty good. I like that carbon fiber wrap. That's pretty cool. Oh, don't mind the glove. Patched the seat. There was a rip across the seat here, so Ezra patched it. Leather patch. And oh yeah, it's got lots of power. At least it looks nicer now.
Touchdown.
Second one to the front. So that looks okay. That looks okay.
Okay, clear for a second, Ezra.
All right, guys, we got quite a bit done with this 4430 today. Oil pan's off. I got connecting rod bearings for the piston. I got one out, and I got a main crank bearing out just to make sure that they weren't oversized bearings. They are standard size bearings, but you can see this guy here, he's got some wear. That dull spot right below my finger here, closest to the camera, that's starting to go. So we pulled this old girl apart just in time. This one here, it actually looks okay. That's just the oil journal there, that little hole in there, that's the oil journal. That's how the oil gets in there, lubricates everything. But I think we pulled her apart just in time. She's got about 15,000 hours on her. And what happens if that bearing spins or anything like that, she's going to seize up the motor, and that's when it causes some real damage. So caught that just in time. That's always good. You never want to catch that one too late. That's a really expensive bill. Anyways, guys, I'm done for today. This is a good place to end the video right now. I'm going to continue recording while I take this thing apart tomorrow. That's going to be tomorrow's job. But yeah, hope you guys liked the video. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe, share, and comment. Subscriptions on YouTube are free, guys. It's free. You just click the subscribe button, and yeah, it's free. We don't charge you. Anyways, guys, I'll see you in the next one. Take care. God bless.